healthcare in United States and in Ukraine. That's a big topic of conversation and it's a lot of differences. We're waiting for the baby, so my wife now see what is to deliver baby in Ukraine, and soon we'll know how to deliver baby in the United States, but also the way how the services prepare for this different. But we talk about healthcare. It is differently, first of all, structural. It's way different system. We don't have in Ukraine the insurance. Like most of the people in the United States have insurance. We don't. But in Ukraine, hospitals, most of them are governmental. So let's say they are free, but they are not free. And in Ukraine, because of those structural difference, we have a lot of corruption about this. So the hospital workers, all the doctors, nurses, they have a very low wages. To be honest, they are not feeling that good as American. I know in America, if you're a doctor, you are in a good shape. It is you have a good salary and all things. In Ukraine, it's not true. I mean, it is not working like this. So in Ukraine, they will get a bribe sometimes. They will work differently if you will give a little bit money ahead. And because of also the corruption, things happening sometimes so crazy. My friend's father having a cancer and he will have to, it was one day before surgery and the nurse show up and tell my friend that, hey, you know what? We kind of need $2,000 or we don't know how the surgery will go. Can you imagine the level of the corruption if they do this? I know it's not overall situation, but we see this thing. And that's why in America, I think so, people are more healthy because healthcare is more stable. Everybody go there, have planning visit. We don't have any planning visit, not at all. And when I see here that average age is so high in Ukraine, 60 and 70, it's way old. And that's why also in Ukraine, we are kind of avoiding hospital. We'll go there in the last moment. For example, my wife, mother, step and fall in some steps and broke the bone in the leg. She don't want to go and don't tell nobody 4 days. That's hard. We are avoiding doctors in Ukraine. So it is a huge difference, cultural, structural, and how people approach to the hospital.